Oh, today, I'm celebrating a small achievement or milestone. But I'm sure na Renzo from 2 years ago would have been really happy na nandito ako ngayon sa 10K subscribers. And I received a very special cake which we will try. One thing about starting YouTube or doing something on your own, doing freelance or starting your own business is it's hard to celebrate because nobody really is there to give you incentives for achieving a specific milestone. So I don't know if I should be celebrating 10K, but someone sent me this cake nga by surprise, and I'm super thankful for that person who sent me this because now I have a reason to shoot a video and celebrate in my own small but special way. Okay, so meron akong lighter dito. Sana hindi masunog yung bahay. Ano ba? Whoa! 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 Oh, shit! That is cool. Medyo fail, di sabay. Pero solid. Solid. Thank you. Ayun, so, ikaw, kung nanonood ka nito, maybe you are here for the travel, for the destinations, but maybe you are also here because you want to do what I'm doing. Honestly, it is a privilege to have this kind of lifestyle, traveling and being able to travel for free, getting paid to travel. That has always been my dream, and ngayon, I've been doing it for 2 years. So, masaya siya. May halong pagod, may halong hard work, pero yeah. Slicing up the cake. Ayun. Ba't di ko maslice? Oh my God. There you go. Not aesthetic, but that will do. Okay, so what tools and equipment do you consider essential to your content creation process? Tools and equipment is one of the things na talagang pinag-iisipan mo kapag magsisimula ka ng channel mo. Okay, so to answer this question, this will be your best friend if you're starting with nothing. Really, the phone is all you need, and that is very, very cliche. But to be honest, I never really made videos with my phone. For some people like me, gusto ko maging extra prepared. So I really invested in equipment. I bought a Canon M200 camera back then. After creating some contents, what I did actually was I got myself a GoPro. Aside from being part of the GoPro family, I've been a fan of GoPro even before that because GoPro really takes one of the best videos for underwater. And as a traveler here in the Philippines, free diving is a non-negotiable, to be honest. It's a skill you need to learn because the Philippines has some of the best coral reefs in the world. So, imagine mo, meron tayong access to that beautiful natural wonder. Pero, hindi ka marunong mag-free dive or hindi ka marunong mag-scuba dive. So, parang sayang, 'di ba? Na-close yung gate for you if you don't know or if you don't have those skills. Of course, a tripod because I travel solo, but I do travel with friends and I collab with other creators as well. Pero I don't have my personal videographer yet. So I really use a tripod for shots that require me to film myself. Okay. Kainin muna natin to. Sarap siya. So I use an action cam and a mirrorless camera right here because I, of course, want to learn how to be better with the camera. As time goes by, I can upgrade the lenses, and if I have more funds, I can maybe upgrade the camera body. Pero I'm using a Sony ZV-E10 right now. It's a good beginner-friendly camera. Another thing that I use as gear, this one is tricky because it elevates your video quality, but sometimes you don't really need it kasi ang bigat-bigat niya. Tamis. Okay. This is the gimbal I use. It's actually not that big naman, so it's okay for travel, pero of course it's extra weight for your luggages. So you really have to think about it if kailangan mo ng gimbal for your travel content creation. So bakit ako nag-gimbal? I also create a lot of content for resorts. And to be able to shoot resorts with a very cinematic feel, it helps to have a gimbal. Not super necessary, but if you really want to elevate your content, a gimbal would help. And then another thing na medyo non-negotiable na sa content creation scene, because if you don't have it, it's really hard to stand out because a lot of people have it already as well, which is yes, a drone. You'll be needing a drone for your travel content creation because it's an easy way for you to show your viewers a bird's eye view from far up what the place looks like. Having a drone has been a game changer ever since I bought one. It's also super fun to use because you get to see a lot of cool things na hindi mo makakapture with just you running and gunning with your camera. You don't have to go super expensive with this one. This is a DJI Mini 2. It's a really old drone, but it gets the job done. I would suggest though to go for the Mini 3, especially if you like making reels or short form videos. Kasi ito, wala tong vertical. So you have to shoot 4K and then you have to crop in. Yun. So, mirrorless, action cam, drone, tripod, and optional yung gimbal. If you have questions, comment down below. Thank you so much for the 10K. I really am enjoying this cake and the journey sa pag-YouTube, sa pag-create ng videos. So, thank you so much for all the support and join me as we travel the Philippines with purpose. Maraming salamat and paalam. I shouldn't be eating this much, pero para sa inyo. Cheers.